In this video, we're going to show you to replace your idle air control located right on top of your engine. This is for your Ford Explorer. With our hood open, we want to go ahead and disconnect our battery. We're going to start by disconnecting the negative side here using an 8mm socket. Go ahead and spin that off and set that aside. Go ahead, loosen and remove our positive terminal here. Disconnect this connector by pinching this little connector right here, this little tab. Pinch and pull. Using an 8mm socket in your ratchet, go ahead and loosen these two bolts holding this unit to the top. I want to be careful not to drop these bolts down on top of the engine. Going to make it very complicated to find. Now this unit should simply just pop right off like so. You want to be careful not to drop anything down inside there. When this comes off, there should be a gasket with it as well. If the gasket is broken apart, you want to be sure that you can go ahead and clean the surface of that gasket material. Now I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of solvent on a towel here, and I'm just going to wipe this off. I just want to make sure that the surface for our new gasket is clean. Take your new gasket. It's pretty much a mirrored component either way, so it doesn't matter how you install it. It doesn't matter how that goes on. You just want to go ahead and line that up there. Line this up. And we're going to start our bolts by hand. And come on back, and we're going to snug these down. Now we're going to be tightening these bolts into aluminum, so we don't have to be super tight. We just want to make sure that that seal is created with that gasket. That bolt has bottomed out. I'm going to go quarter turn. Bottomed out, quarter turn. Go ahead and take your connector, line that up, push it on. You hear and feel it snap into place. You're all set. Now you can go ahead and reconnect your battery. We're going to go ahead and install the positive side, install our negative side. I'm going to go ahead and snug this down. Once that bolt tightens down, just give it a little bit more. You don't want to over tighten these here, but you do want to make sure that you can't spin this terminal. Do the same for the negative. Snug that down, and we're pretty tight. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.